White glove services. It's a term that's become synonymous with Chrome and Windows devices in regards to deployments in K-12 environments. Let's cover the basics of white glove, break down why it's important to K-12, and look at some of the things that can be done to devices and technologies to customize your overall experience and ensure it's repeatable. It's late in the school year, and summer vacation is about to begin. Both students and faculty are looking forward to a well-deserved break. To top it off, your school has approved a bid for hundreds, if not thousands, of new Chromebooks to arrive during the summer, with the goal to have them all set up and ready for students when they arrive for fall semester. This all sounds great until you realize that setup time was not factored into the original proposal, and someone, maybe you, from the faculty is pulling the short straw to get everything up and running in time for the school year. Each unit needs to be updated, enrolled, and possibly asset tagged and logged, and finally, all the packaging has to be recycled or disposed of, not to mention if there's any devices that are DOA. This is a common scenario that many K-12 schools face. However, what most don't realize is that these white glove services can be handled through your IT provider before the new devices arrive on campus, ultimately saving hundreds, if not thousands, of man-hours depending on the size and complexity of the deployment. If your school is adopting a one-to-one ratio of devices to students, requesting bids for large quantities of Chrome devices, or actively purchasing management licenses for the Google Admin Console, you should think about the benefits of white glove services and consider talking to your partners about how you can take advantage of a white glove deployment. Let's take a look at the core white glove services that are available to you. Beginning with unboxing and visual inspection of each unit, it's important to catch any defective units at the distribution level. While the overall percentage of defective devices is always low, it's better to find out and replace these devices early in the deployment and prior to their arrival on site. Operating system updates are also performed on each device, the Chrome, Android, and Windows, effectively locking it down for 100% management by the school's technology administrator. The school is first responsible to purchase Google or Microsoft device management licenses for each unit being enrolled into their domain. Secondly, they must provide a working enrollment account for their domain in order for these licenses to be applied. At this point, all devices should be in working order, with updates completed and under the management of the IT administrator. But beyond these core services, there are a number of additional processes that can be added to your white glove deployment before devices are reboxed and shipped out to your location. Let's start with asset tagging. Asset tagging gives the ability to apply tags to devices in order to further identify each unit. Tags generally include serial number and information about the device's owner, typically the school's location and contact information. MAC ID capture, similar to asset tagging for database purposes, can also be very helpful depending on the type of network security credentials that your school has in place. Next on the list is laser etching. While asset tagging can be applied, devices can be permanently customized by etching school logos or extra identifiable information to the shell of each unit. This is a great way to brand and tag technology deployed within an entire school district. Prevent tampering. Finally, let's talk green shipping. Green shipping is the process of removing and recycling the outer boxing and paperwork from each unit prior to their final shipment to your school. Devices are placed in larger boxes to further consolidate the order, making delivery easier and unpacking devices much more cleaner and more efficient. And as a bonus, instructions can also be included to these boxes in terms of which location within the school each deployment should be sent in order to further simplify the process of delivery. The best way to uncover all of these available services is to have a pre-deployment call with your IT professional. A pre-deployment call should include all relevant parties to the deployment in order to properly address the overall needs of the school. Over the past few years, the need for white glove services has dramatically increased and continues to grow each year. If you're considering the deployment of a large amount of devices to a single location or multiple locations within a school district, consider white glove services and making this daunting task manageable no matter the size of your district or your deployment. Thank you.